Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are good. Right guys, so today I have a very special styling video because I am honestly obsessed with these shoes. These are like my holy grail shoes. These are like my coldest pair of shoes that I currently own. Not gonna lie, I was very close to reselling these shoes just because I don't feel like pictures will ever give a trainer justice unless you see them in person. They did retail at £209, so it was pricey, but now that I've seen it in person, honestly, there is no money they could give me for me to resell it. So I'm very excited to show you guys these shoes and the outfits that I put together. Let me just show you guys the shoe. First of all, the box and the packaging in itself is just beautiful. So this is the box, the Jordan 4 Unions. Got it in the Noir. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but there's two colorways. There's obviously the guava ice one, and then there's a black version. Got these in a size 5. So I got this on the sneakers app. I literally won on the sneakers app. First of all, the fact that I won on the sneakers app is in itself like worth a celebration. I don't know how I won, I don't know how I got lucky, but I'm grateful. It is a men's size 5, so in the women's is a 4.5, which I didn't know, so they do feel a bit tight, and I wish I had gotten a 5.5 men's. That way it would have been a women's 5, but they still fit. So obviously you just open it, and then you have like this paper packaging on the inside, which is just sick. I want to keep this paper and probably hanging it up. The shoes. Honestly, I'm obsessed. So these are the shoes. They both came in black laces, but I switched it out. I switched one out with the orange laces. As you guys know, I like contrasting colors. I have had some people take off this bit, but personally, like, I already paid £209 for these shoes. Yeah, for me to take out material, it's like run me my money back. The fact that I spent £209, I don't want to be taking out material off the shoe as it is. I don't know, I'm scared to do it, but at the same time people do say it looks better without. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some outfits that I put together with these, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Light up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. Haven't heard from you when I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do when I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada, trips to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that she miss me cause I put it down bright. Damn, babe, I can push you on a flight. You know that someone like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. I've been overseas going crazy. I can tell you live when we made up. Like a great diamonds decorator. Orange peel, your love is real. Love is skills, I need some love and skills. Left my dirty jars and you love me still. Eyes come lazy, but she is real. Dress to kill, yeah, yeah. We can bump till you're tired. I can put a stone by your eye. I can see you never switch your sides. You never tell me lies. Don't rush your times, yeah, yeah. Trips to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that she miss me cause I put it down bright. Damn, babe, I can push you on a flight. You know that someone like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watch you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you're a freak, little baby. Yeah, get me lit. Holes on my phone when I find out that I'm rich. And they switch when they see me choosing on you. Top down, got her doing donuts on cue, yeah, yeah. Pose for the flick. Damn it, busted, baby, what you do it on a split. She don't need no hands or no pants, do your dance. Popping rubber bands, hit the dash, make it faster. Yeah, waiting by me phone just to take it down, down. Let me put it down, down, put it down, down.
Right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to let me know which one was your favorite look, and of course the usual, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Malibu, if you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu, spending daddy's money with an attitude.